Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today, or tonight rather, we are going to react and watch the first edition of Miss Grand International All-Star 2026. I'm so excited also for our queens who will be competing for the first edition of Miss Grand International All-Star. We have 5 Filipina who will be competing tonight. Who will be the next Miss Grand International All-Star?
Samantha Giniteg from Ecuador! Because you are in Casini, Venezuela,
Yes!
Philippines!
Ganda! I miss the purple dress, the opening dress na ginamit niya sa Miss Universe, di ba?
Jamilet Hernandez, Domenica.
Wow! Ayan na. Ayan na guys, yung mga Latina. Hindi mawawala yung mga yan.
Sports Pop belongs to you! Kenya from Vietnam!
Sino yun? Hindi ako familiar guys sa mga pangalan. Ah! Si Vietnam. Ganda. Maganda rin to guys, no?
RN Mariana Bekova from Czech Republic!
Wow. Isa rin to sa front runner guys. Talagang abangan natin to.
It's your time. Sarina Botes, Thailand.
Of course, Thailand. Hindi ko siya nakilala noong una guys. Nag-iba yung, alam niyo na, yung face niya.
I know your fans will be very, very happy because you are in Fuchsia Andra!
Yes! Let's go Filipino Queens. Let's go.
Yours, Faith Maria Porter from Ghana.
Yan na. Ganda.
Next pop belongs to you, Gabriela de la Cruz, Venezuela.
Venezuela.
Have made it, Vanessa Pagarin from Colombia.
Colombia. Wala pa si ano, no? Sino pang wala? Hindi ko na maalala yung iba.
Asia Cortez Sandoval de Mexico.
And then yung tatlong Philippines, guys, wala pa.
Wayne Cipriani from Peru.
Oo. Ito, bet ko rin to si Peru. Ganda niya.
You have made it, Isabela Santiago from Venezuela.
Venezuela again. Uy, wala pa yung tatlo. Saan kayo?
Winner of the portrait challenge is Beth San Anderson
Oh!
from Myanmar.
Finally, she made it. Bet ko siya during Miss Universe 2024. Kabatch to ni Chelsea Manalo, guys. Maganda siya. Tignan nyo, diba? Ang daming wala pang di pa natatawag. So, Gazzini and Fuchsia ang nakapasok sa top 18 for the Philippines. For Alexa, Kaylin, and Imelda, guys, you're the best. Thank you for representing our country. You did well from prelims and so many activities na nangyari from the MGI. Ang mahalaga, nag-enjoy tayo. Congratulations for the top 18 semifinalists.
Faith Maria Porter, Ghana.
Plakado, pasarela. Uy, ang ganda. Isa siya sa mga tinik na kalaban ni Gazzini. Bakit walang scores? No. Sayang, di napapakita. Kasi nga merong technical issues.
Fuchsia and Ravenna, Philippines.
Wow, ang ganda. It's giving. Grabe, ang ganda. Sobrang ganda. Oh my God, Gazzini. Grabe. Ang ganda mo, te.
Ganado, Philippines.
Ganda, 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 ganda. Ay. Ganyan nga. Grabe, ang ganda. Sige, baklain ang stage. Ay! Oh, di ba? Ay, best in swimsuit to, guys. Sobrang ganda. Another one, Vietnam. Puksaan malala. Grabe. Ang ganda na ito, oh.
Venezuela.
Ah, Venezuela. Myanmar. Maganda rin to.
Suheng Cipriani from Peru.
Wow, Peru.
For the second spot, you are in Yamilet Hernandez from Dominican Republic.
Of course. Hindi pwedeng mawala yung mga yan.
Sawadika Tarina Pares, Thailand.
Of course, Thailand. Uy, kinakabahan naman na ako.
You have secured your spot. Faith Maria Carter from Ghana.
Of course. Finally.
Vanessa Pogalen from Colombia.
Shots. Ala, apat na lang. Ano nangyayari?
Securing the 8th spot is Mabuhay Gazina
Yes!
from the Philippines.
Yes! Thank you!
Becoming a beauty queen became my life
Pinakabahan nyo kami, ah.
journey of
Pinakabahan nyo kami, MGI.
from pain to passion.
Grabe. Akala ko first cut lang siya. Katrauma na ako sa kanya, guys. Fuchsia. Ipasok ko si Fuchsia. Tapos si ano, Vietnam or Venezuela.
And now I stand before you, shining wherever I am. 2 spots left. Claim your position. Gabriela de la Cruz, Venezuela.
Oh, meron din ako niyan. Uy, ipasok ko si Fuchsia.
Become my star. To the last and final spot for the top 10. You have made it. Huang Beng Nguyen from Vietnam.
Oh my God! Laglag siya. Gago. Ala, laglag si Fuchsia.
Our top 10 finalists of the MGI All-Stars.
Gusto ko pa naman siya makita mag-evening gown. Si Fuchsia. Ano ba yun? Sayang. Anyways, Gazini is here. Thank you. Let's see.
And this is the ranking of our top 10
Oh,
finalists.
number 16 si Fuchsia.
Of course, do not forget
Ay, parang familiar yung gown niya, guys. Parang, ito yung ginamit ni Emma Tiglao last year. Or same designer, siguro. Oo. Tama ako. Ganda ng gown, te. Wala pa rin score, sayang. Oh.
9.
Ah.
Now for me, it's a 10.
Ah.
and that is the 10 for me.
Sasabihin yung score.
10.
For me, 8.
Ala. Grabe si Omar, ah.
Perfect 10. Big 10, honey.
And that's a 10.
Grabe ka, Omar. Anong nangyayari sa'yo? Ay! Uy! Si Gazini! Ano yan? Gago, ganda ng gonte. O, diba? May pa-Phoenix, ano na naman, na-design ang gown niya.
Cassini Ganado, Philippines.
Ganito ang hilig yung gown, guys, sa ano, Binibining Pilipinas Days. Gago, ang ganda! Oh, shit. Keep walking, honey. Oh, di ba? Ang ganda ng gown. Oh, sige. Aura. Sige, Aura. Gizini. Ganda ng gown. Bakla. Ganda ng gown mo, bakla. Gulat ako siya agad lumabas.
Hey,
Ay,
that performance deserves a beautiful 10.
And it is a 10 for me.
ano?
9.
Epic 10.
Wow!
Another 10.
Uy!
8.
Ay?
Jesus Christ 10.
Yes! Lupita and Osmel. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, who's next? Vietnam. Oh my god. Butterfly. It's giving.
Nguyen Hung Kia.
10.
Ala?
That butterfly deserves a 10.
It's a 10 for me. 10.
Vietnam 10.
9.5. 9.
10.
Diba? Paksaan guys. Sa Thailand na.
Serena Botes. Thailand.
Ganda ni Tarino. Beautiful Thailand.
10.
Wow.
I'll give her a 10.
So I mat is a 10. So I mat my is a 10 for me.
Ala, 10.
Thailand, wow, 10.
Ala, 10 lahat.
7.5.
Oh.
10.
Blood top 5.
Ano nangyari kay Natalie? 7.5. Siya lang naiibang score. Wow, Colombia. Ang ganda ng gown. Gagi, ang ganda ng gown.
Vanessa Bulgarin. Colombia.
Ganda. Parang, suot to ni Eva before. Yung nasa likod niya. Di ba? Or ano lang, parang same design lang. Nauso yung ganyan. Since nanalo si Emma ng Miss Grand last year. Aminin nyo, di ba? Perfect 10 to for sure. Gagawin ganda ni Colombia.
She deserves a 10.
It's a 9 for me.
Man.
It's a 10 for me.
8 for me.
Oh.
8.5. 10.
8.5.
Finally.
Ayan na.
Nguyen from Vietnam!
Siya may pinakamataas na scores. Hindi, Thailand ata. Or Czech Republic, I guess. Pasok ng Vietnam. Oh my God. Congrats, Vietnam.
You have secured a spot in the top 5.
Philippines.
Mariana Bekova from Czech Republic.
Deserve. Siya yung may pinakamataas na score, guys. Na total scores, rather. Wala, Philippines, ipasok nyo. Kinakabahan ako dito.
Third spot in the top 5 is for you. Faith Maria Porter from Ghana.
Naku. Dalawa na lang. Shit, dalawa na lang. Thailand tas Philippines. Hello?
2 spots left. Claim your position.
Philippines!
Now I'm sure
Thailand to.
everybody is holding their breath.
Thailand.
Because we have 1 spot left for the top 5. Can I hear your countries?
Thailand. Laglag si Gazini. Ano ba
Everyone
yan?
excited, but there's only one spot to complete this top 5.
And that spot goes to Mabuhay Gazino!
Ay! Pasok! Gago! Yes! Thank you! Yes! Gago, gulat ako. Kala ko Thailand na yun eh. Gagi, pasok! Ano ba? Pinakaba mo naman kami.
Congratulations to the all 5 MGI All-Star finalists.
Ano
And now,
nangyari?
let's take a look at the ranking of this top 5 finalists right now.
Kasi puro 10K Thailand, di ba? Ayan oh.
We can see that on our screen, so you can start
Ah,
voting
shit.
for all 5 finalists. All scores will be reset to 0 again.
May audience
You can
vote pala kasi,
vote
guys.
your favorite all-stars.
Sa wakas, pasok si Gazini.
Next break, our first finalist. Vanessa Fulganin from
Oh!
Colombia!
Pasok pa si Colombia, guys. No matter what happened, for Gazini, we're so proud of you. You did your best to represent our country.
You have made it to the top 3. Wang Yang Nguyen from
Hala!
Vietnam.
Gagi, pasok pa si Vietnam. Sabi ko na nga, malakas sa votings ang Vietnam. Kaya, talagang may laban. Ghana.
And the last spot is yours.
Ghana.
Faith Maria Porter from Ghana.
Yes, pasok. Kala ko Czech Republic at papasok doon. Okay, Gazini, congrats.
To our top 3 finalists of the MTI All-Stars. And now, the scores will be set to 0 again. So you can also be a very important...
Still proud of her, guys.
This is the last
So proud of her.
to help you
She did her best.
to win this crown.
Top 5 is a big achievement for us. As Filipinos, it's a big accomplishment for Gazini, guys.
Final
Guys, anong thoughts nyo sa Q&A performance ni Gazini? For me, siguro kinabahan lang siya. Kasi, napansin ko naman doon sa question, it's all about cyberbullying. Pero, parang hindi niya nasagot ng konti. So, andun biglang lumihis lang yung sagot niya. All I can say is, kung ano yung performance niya during Miss Universe 2019 sa opening speech, nangyari na naman ngayon. So, medyo kabado talaga siya pagdating sa mga ganito, sa Q&A. And, hopefully, makapasok pa rin siya sa top 3 with, of course, with the voting system sa MGA ngayon. So, I'm not bashing Gazini, everyone, kasi big fan niya ako since BBP days. Sa
is Wang Yang Nguyen from Vietnam.
Vietnam is second runner-up for this year's edition. I think Ghana. Ghana magiging MGI natin.
Can't hear you. Ready or go.
Ghana. 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 Ala! Bakit? Totoo? Shucks, akala ko kay Ghana. Kasi yung Q&A nga guys, yung Q&A niya, oh my God, Colombia pala. Congrats, Vanessa. I was expecting for Ghana that time. Okay, so a huge congratulations for Colombia for winning the MGI All-Stars first edition. She deserves it. She deserved the crown. Congratulations for Vanessa Pulgarin for winning the MGI All-Stars first edition. Thank you so much for watching my vlog, everyone. So don't forget to subscribe this video, like, share, and comment. And don't forget to follow all my social media accounts. Thank you so much for watching, guys.